Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Imagine being able to make money in the stock market without having to lift a finger. That's the promise of AI stock market investment tools. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI stock market investment tools to make money in 2023. So let's start with, what are AI stock market investment tools? AI stock market investment tools are software programs that use artificial intelligence to analyze stock market data and identify profitable investment opportunities. These tools can help you save time and make better investment decisions. How do AI stock market investment tools work? AI stock market investment tools work by analyzing a variety of data factors, including historical stock prices, financial statements, and news sentiment. The tools then use this data to generate predictions about future stock performance. How can AI stock market investment tools help you make money? AI stock market investment tools can help you make money in a number of ways. For example, they can help you identify profitable investment opportunities, make better investment decisions, reduce your risk of losses, save time on research. Examples of AI stock market investment tools. There are a number of different AI stock market investment tools available. Some popular examples include Acorns, Betterment, Robinhood, Wealthfront, Personal Capital. Once you have chosen an AI stock market investment tool, you can start using it to make money by following these steps. Create an account with the tool and deposit funds. Select the types of investments you want to make. Set your investment goals and risk tolerance. Monitor your performance and make adjustments as needed. AI stock market investment tools can be a valuable tool for investors. By using these tools, you can save time and make better investment decisions. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any question, please leave a comment below.